opening new frontiers in life sciences. Every step forward brings renewed hope for human health. Honoring dedicated scientists, Higher Biomedical is proud to be the friend of scientists. To support universities, research institutions, biopharmaceutical companies, hospitals, blood and plasma centers, and disease control agencies, providing intelligent digital solutions. Together, we are committed to building a healthier future for humanity. Since our founding in 2005, we have broken through a 30-year technological monopoly, reaching new heights, exploring the depths of the seas, expanding globally to deliver comprehensive sample research and management solutions, from single products to integrated systems. Today, our business has expanded to encompass smart laboratories, compliant pharmaceutical solutions, smart hospitals, intelligent blood management, and public health solutions. Since our listing in 2019, we have established 17 innovation and marketing experience centers worldwide, delivering health solutions across 150 countries and regions. Through our life sciences EPS model, we offer users a comprehensive, one-stop service experience. In the era of the digital economy, we integrate emerging technologies with life sciences and healthcare, providing more efficient and safer methods for research in life and health. For universities and research institutions, we offer comprehensive smart laboratory solutions that enhance automation, intelligence, IoT, and sharing capabilities, making experiments safer and research more efficient. For biopharmaceutical companies, we provide comprehensive smart pharmaceutical scenarios with end-to-end collaboration and one-stop closed-loop services, making processes more efficient and quality more controllable. For hospitals, we innovate comprehensive smart medication management solutions that ensure full closed-loop management of the entire process from storage, transfer, distribution, dispensing, to usage, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on other important tasks and patients to feel more assured. For blood stations, we have pioneered a one-network collaboration smart city blood management system that shifts urban blood use from emergency response to predictive management, ensuring immediate response in emergencies, no blood wastage, and uninterrupted information flow. For disease control and public health centers, we developed a digital intelligence public health ecosystem platform that facilitates the flow of urban health data, making governance smarter and cities healthier. Guided by the principle of green symbiosis, we have developed the Life Sustainable Development Model, utilizing green technology to support over 80 countries along the Belt and Road Initiative. Our goal is to provide convenient and accessible localized solutions to enhance vaccine safety, laboratory security, and public health event prevention and control. Driven by a commitment to health and life, Higher Biomedical will continue to advance with the times, offering high-tech, high-efficiency, and high-quality solutions to support the rapid growth of scientific research.